September 13th, guys. Just a quick update. This storm is growing very fast. It has already gone from a 40% chance of tropical storm development to a 70% chance here in just a few hours. Now, these rain bands are going north about 100 miles up into Georgia, and you see them now striking the Carolina coast. Guys, there are, again, 70% chance of tropical cyclone formation developing. They're talking about 10 inches of rain just tonight in these areas, and look at these large bands of rain and high wind that are north and northwest of this storm. You got, you can see 39, 36 mile an hour gust, but the storm is partially on land, partially in the water, guys, as far as center of circulation, and it's tracking due north. Now, I said I thought it would go west quicker than this, but it hasn't done that yet. Even though the streamlines are still pushing towards the west, this storm is tracking straight up. They're predicting it to make a turn, but look at this. 70% chance of formation in 48 hours. Radar indicates the area of low pressure is located inland near St. Augustine, Florida. It continues to produce a large area of showers and thunderstorms with winds to tropical storm force along and just offshore portions of northeast Florida. What does that mean, guys? Power lines down, floods. Listen, it's expected to move northwestward to northward at 10 to 15 miles an hour tonight, near and parallel to the northeast coast of Florida. Strong gusty winds, again, some of the tropical storm force will continue over portions of northeast Florida coast tonight. And this is going into Wednesday, guys. Some areas from northeast Florida to South Carolina could receive 3 to 6 inches of rainfall, with isolated maximum amounts of 10 inches possible, says consult your local National Weather Service. Now, guys, that's just in this short period of time tonight. This thing is really scheduled to linger offshore, very close and in a very small area. This is the 5-day forecast, not much movement at all. If we look at the models and add the Canadian model tracking to it, it's going to do that loop, come back down, and go back over Florida again. But let's look at the water vapor. Notice to the top right section of the storm, that's water, guys. That's how much is coming in. You're going to have floods, heavy rain, power outage. If you're right under this section, it's really too late to do much other than hunker down and be prepared. Just charge up everything. But notice the storm, it comes right up the Florida coast. So we'll play this thing through. Comes back out. In a few days is back over the coast of Florida and back in the Gulf by the 22nd, guys. It's one of those storms that's highly unpredictable, but I have said for a week, be prepared. And again, get your laptop batteries charged up, your cell phone batteries charged up, your flashlights that you can, any candles, be careful with that. But this thing is far from over. We're watching it. It's a heads up. Be safe.